Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will guide you step by step on how to view and manage your restricted profiles list in the Threads app on an Android phone. Whether you want to check who you've restricted or remove someone from the restricted list, first, unlock your Android phone and open the Threads app. Next, make sure you're in the Profile section. You can get there by tapping the profile icon. Then, tap the two horizontal lines located in the top right corner. After that, select Privacy from the menu that appears. Now, tap on Restricted Profiles to see the full list of profiles you have restricted. Finally, if you want to remove someone from the restricted list, simply tap Unrestrict next to their name. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to easily access and manage your restricted profiles in Threads on Android. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.